So we're back at the spa for shed build day 2. Today's raining, not as quite as nice as last time, but the base is down. And then we're going to build the sides up with the roof on, and then we'll be good to fill it with all the bits. And of course, Dad is back helping out, and we're going to get it done. Okay, so power shed build is complete. In the background there, thank you Dad for your help. How did you find the build?
Exhilarating. No, it was good, and it's very satisfying to actually walk away from that at the end of the day saying, job done.
Yeah, it looks good, sturdy, good instructions. We also watched the YouTube videos, very handy. There's a couple of things we weren't quite sure on if we were doing correctly. But the videos really helped. So yeah, really pleased with the shed. So yeah, now just to fill it full of useful things.
Brilliant. Well done. Teamwork.